Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank account in Stripe. So let's get started. First thing, you'll find yourself at the Stripe homepage. The first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the top right corner and click on the settings right here. Once you click this, you're going to be prompted to this page where you will find your business settings. Underneath the business settings, you want to click on bank accounts and currency. So click on this button. And here you're going to see your existing payout bank accounts. Now you also have the option to change the payout schedule and the payout speed. But in order to change the actual payout bank account, what you want to do is you want to navigate to the three dots right here, click on them, and here you can edit bank account. So click on this bank account and it will ask you for your information here. So just follow along, and this is how you will be able to change your bank account in Stripe. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.